This message is being transmitted at the request of the U.S. healthcare system, such as many other healthcare companies in America. This is not a test. Repeating. This is not a test. At around 1 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, schools around America have been introducing a program called IXL, which allows students to excel. Once they go on the program for 5 minutes, they get the following symptoms: headache, fever, vomiting and diarrhea. If you see someone go on IXL, tell them to get off IXL immediately, as it may damage their health.
Saturday morning, jumped out of bed and put on my best suit. Got in my car and raced like a jet all the way to you. Knocked on your door with heart in my hand to ask you a question, 'cause I know that you're an old-fashioned man. Yeah. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. You say I've never.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the Salt Lake City Police Department. At approximately 11:20 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, people have been checking on their children because on T's Market said that if children go on IXL for 5 minutes they will get vomiting and diarrhea. But later the people have started breaking into the windows, causing many injuries. Now schools who do IXL all around the United States are in lockdown. Teachers said that they don't believe that the statement is true. This has caused a riot all across America and have killed 400 people and 16,000 being injured. Do not join this riot. Repeating. Do not join this riot. If you do, then you may face certain death. This is the EASE operating system signing off.
This is CNN Breaking News.
Hello guys. This is Emma from CNN. Let's see the news today. Wait a minute. People say that people have been checking on their students. But it turned into chaos as time went on. People started breaking in the windows. There were 745 dead and 8,765 being injured, and the riot is still continuing right now. Let's see what Noah has to say about this.
Emma, I heard the same news too. And people are just acting like animals over there. Like, come on. You all are not supposed to act like animals. We just act like American citizens and wait for further updates. That attitude is unacceptable.
So, yeah. I think that's all that Noah can say for now. This is CNN Breaking News signing off.
This is Arizona PBS from Phoenix. Normal programming has been suspended. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. This is Arizona PBS from Phoenix. Normal programming has been suspended. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
The emergency alert system has been activated. Instructions will follow.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government to participate in this emergency. At approximately 2:30 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, nukes have been launched from an unknown location. These will destroy the following cities: Los Angeles, Denver, Springfield, Phoenix, Albuquerque, and Las Vegas. These nukes are expected to hit these cities in 1 hour. Gather supplies such as food, water, flashlight, hand crank or battery-powered radio, batteries, and a first aid kit to last you during this emergency. When these missiles impact the cities, expect the following to occur. A very loud bang will be heard all across the west coast, followed by a very bright flash and a violent shaking. Anything from 35 miles away from the cities will be obliterated and will become unrecognizable. Evacuate now, do not delay, evacuate now. Pull a towel cloth over your mailbox to show that you left your home. This is not a test. Repeating. This is not a test. This is the emergency alert system. Signing off.
This message is being transmitted at the request of myself and the United States Geological Survey. This is not a test. Repeating. This is not a test. Do not turn your devices off at this time because this message may be vital to your survival. At approximately 3 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, nukes have been launched to Los Angeles, Springfield, Phoenix, Albuquerque, Las Vegas and Denver from an unknown location. Once the nuke hit Albuquerque, it released a 4.3 earthquake. A supervolcano named Valles Caldera experienced a magma uplift and started to erupt due to the sheer size of the earthquake. Gather supplies such as food, water, batteries, hand crank or battery-powered radio, first aid kit, phones, iPads, personal belongings, ID, money and phone chargers. Evacuate now. Do not delay. Evacuate now. If you don't, then you may face certain death. Put a white towel cloth to show authorities that you left your home. Turn off all air conditioning and ovens. Do not smoke inside. Stay away from balconies and elevators. The sun will be blocked for approximately 1 to 8 months following the blast. If you don't want to evacuate, wait for authorities to take you into a shelter. Only use one point of entry into the building. Leave out all clothing that contain ash. When you go outside, use an N95 mask. The masks that you use for coronavirus are not that effective against this ash. It will take about 5 days for the Valles Caldera to empty its magma beneath it. This volcano will release an ash cloud that will take months, even years to dissipate. This blast will cause a nuclear winter and food shortages will occur throughout the country. Plants will be unable to photosynthesize. During this event, remember that looting and civil unrest is still a crime and you will be punished. Most blackouts will occur throughout the country. Planes leaving the United States are closed. Thank you for your cooperation and God bless this country.
This message is being transmitted at the request of myself. At approximately 10 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, the ash has now been disintegrated. You can now go outside now. But don't attempt to be a disaster tourist. Let the workers do their work. Also, the police department found out that the IXL company launched these nukes. Now the company is banned for good. You all can now live a peaceful day, everyone.